So instead of showing or letting you hear the sounds of all the music or the cleaning, I decided to make a video of why I chose to clean shoes and donate them, why it's important to me. You're probably going to hear my dogs in the background of me talking because we have 4 cats and 2 dogs. So here it is, and a little bit about myself as well. So the reason that I chose to get shoes, whether by donation or buying them at the thrift store or just from my house that are like outgrown or whatever, to donate them, clean them and donate them is because it's important to me. When I was little, my parents didn't have much money, and my grandma would take me and get me shoes, and it was like the best memories ever shopping with my grandma and my family. And I always had what I needed, but it was a struggle sometimes, and I know that it was. And with inflation going on right now, I know that it's hard for parents, especially parents who can't make enough money to meet their needs, which I've been in that boat before. And, single parents, just any parent who's struggling in the moment. And that's okay. It's okay if we struggle, but I want to help. I really want to help, not just with shoes, but with anything. And that's just kind of how I am. And it makes me super weird though. So I'm a substitute cook, server, lunch server at our local school district. And the other day, a fourth grader, fourth or fifth grade, I'm not sure what grade she was in, I don't even know her name, was going through my line and she was crying. And I could see that she was just having a rough time with her day, processing her feelings and everything. So she does not know me, but I served her her food. I told her that tomorrow's a better day. And I told her to meet me at the end of her line when she was all done getting her food and everything. So she met me at the end and came through the middle part, and I gave her a really big hug, and I told her everything that she's feeling will pass. It's okay to feel sad. It's okay to feel upset. Just know that she's okay. Tomorrow's a new day, and she just really needed a hug. And I don't know if I was allowed to hug her or not. I just felt like she needed a hug. And showing that love to someone makes me feel really, really good. Like I actually need to be able to make other people feel better. And that makes me feel really, really good. I always say it fills my bucket because of a book I read to my 7-year-old about filling buckets and taking from buckets and stuff. But, anyways, I love helping people. I love, love, love it. And I can't get enough of it. And I have a hard time balancing in my life what I need to do with my house and my kids, and also the shoe cleaning, because I started this new job as substitute cook and I love it so much. But I'm having a hard time finding a balance between what I need to do as a mom, what I want to do to help, and my job. So I'm getting there. So some of these videos might be a little slow getting out, but that's the reason I'm trying to figure out a balance. But I'm going to donate all these to homeless shelters and just people who need them. And I really hope it makes a big difference. And I really hope I get the word out so that people know where to get shoes for free if they need to, because we all just need to help each other. So I hope that you guys like my videos and my odd little obsession of cleaning, because I love to clean. It's so satisfying to me, and helping people, because that's really what I want to do.